Hello, BrandsPickled is here. Today we are here with a new server plugin tutorial, and today's plugin we are doing is called the InventoryRestore Plus Remastered plugin. So yeah, this plugin got remastered because of the Minecraft updates. There was a big thing with Minecraft when they had to change everything. So there is three main commands here, which you can see. We've got the restore inventory, save inventory, or recover inventory. So let's first off go and fill an inventory up of stuff. So I'm just going to fill my inventory like that, and that will do for me. So the first command we're going to do is save inventory. So we're going to save our inventory, and you can see here you have saved BrandsPickled current inventory. Find it in recover inventory BrandsPickled. So if I just clear my inventory and do / recover inventory BrandsPickled, you can see the recoverable inventories, and you can see the ID at the top, when the date was, so 15th of October 2015, and then the time, so GMT, so 13:24:37, and then if we just click this, you can see my inventory. So my top bit is your hotbar, and then all the rest is your inventory. So you can see there's stained glass down here, so this will show you to go back to your history, your information, and then so you can recover the inventory. So if we just click that now, you will get a big message here. So BrandsPickled recover BrandsPickled inventory from 15th of October with a reason of that. That broadcasts to the whole server, that one does. So BrandsPickled's inventory has been recovered. You have a pending recover inventory. So click below. So you can click this. So this will show this page up. But if you in fact do recover, was it recover? No, sorry, it's restore inventory like that, and it will show you all the inventories need to be restored. But if you remember the long ID number, so if you do restore 15080738777953, so that's in my case, it takes you straight to this page like so. So if we just do that again, click this, and you cannot see who the actual owner is for this. So this can't be biased. So basically, there's all my stuff, and we just click that, and you can see my inventory has been restored, like so. So if we just go over to the Spigot page now, so the Spigot page, change over now. And you can see here, InventoryRestore Plus remastered to 2.6.4 stable. So, like here, you can see it's been tested on 1.7 all the way to 1.11. I am actually testing this on 1.12.2, so it's running fine for me. It is in fact a premium plugin, and it's cost £4, so British pounds. And you can see here informations about the gear, and then the plugin has been remastered, include a new and better system basically. The changes, so the data is now in a Johnson file, page system, built API, configuration, redesigned GUI, and then text changes. So here's the to-do list, so get more language files, make GUI panels, so config, more APIs, and the cleanup code, and then videos, so got some outdated videos here, and then the price, so it is actually £8, but it's half price right now, and then the source code will be £25, but it's free at the moment. Then message him to get his code, and then if someone tries to get this plugin off like a website, what you get null plugins like cracked plugins. You actually in fact can see on this image that it can actually track the ownership of that. So if the plugin is ran on so many servers, it means it's been basically cracked. So here's an additional to the new inventory resource, so it's a lot better. So it supports death history, so when you die it actually goes into the history, and then you can restore it. And then here's your commands and permissions, so your commands are here, so you save inventory, recover inventory, and restore inventory, and there's your permissions. So permission there, and permission there, and then servers that use this plugin. So you've got the Hydra Network, OPPUPs, OTX.org, and play.mitecraft.com. And then the features, so effective code, extremely good data management, permissions, history, save, and much more. Then in the config file, I'll be showing you that in a second. Then the player Johnson, again, I'll be showing you that in a second when I go to my files. Then it's got the APIs, so an example of the APIs, you need to add that, so because it's under construction. And then you've got your screenshots, so all the screenshots what I've shown you before, well, I've shown you in game. So viewing, and then text, and then most frequently asked questions, then disclaimers, and then your term and conditions. Again, people are putting reviews to 1 stars here, like you can see here, not working for 1.12, which is working perfectly for me. Again, he should have messaged in the discussion page before reviewing it, because like you can see here, he actually replied. It's not like a developer who doesn't reply to his stuff. So that's why you should give him a 1 star if he doesn't reply, but he did reply here, and he's always fixing the problems, like so. And like everyone else is giving him 5 stars, which is awesome. So yeah, so if we just go to our file area now, so go to Nitro panel, go to here, and we can see we've got three files here. So we've got the config Johnson, the config YML, and then the language file. So if we just edit this config Johnson, and this basically shows you that you can change the time zone, development mode, and if it's paper spigot. And if we go to our config file now, and let's go through this bit. So if it's in development mode, this is mainly the debug mode. So if we change that to true, the console again will be spammy, and it's basically for developers. Schedule save data, so this is in seconds, so 1,800 seconds every time the people's inventories will be saved, etc. Remove recoverable inventories, so this is 2 weeks. You can extend it longer if you wanted to. And then you restore inventory, so keep history true, save empty inventories as false. And then you credit, so you can change this if you want to, but I recommend you just leave it how it is, which is pretty damn awesome. And that's basically it in the config file. So you can see there's no player Johnsons here. So let's just quickly have a look at the language. There's no player Johnsons there because there's nothing to be saved, because obviously I've restored something. So if I just quickly make an inventory quickly whilst this loads up, then I'll just do save inventory. There we go. So you can see here all the code and messages. So region US, etc. Then this is the arrow what always popped up. So you saved the player current inventory, find it in recovery inventory, and then when you restore it, then it says player does not have any saved available inventories to recover. So the player, the prefix, it looks like the this bit here, or the and one, sorry. The and one looks like the player, and then the S is for like the code, so that's the basic code like that, and that's to make the player like so. And then the code here could not find a pending recover, so that's when you try to recover something but nothing's there. Another awesome thing as well, when you're not on the server and someone needs to recover their inventory, when you join the server, it actually will tell you straight away that something needs to be recovered, etc. And the default here, you can change that, and then the title for the GUI. So we just changed that to like an Ande or something. So you can see here, if I just refresh, where are we? Inventory recover. Okay. Just testing something in game. So I just restarted the server, and you can see here it's got the player Johnson. So if we just edit this now, and you can see here, so we've got my UUID again up there as well. Then my name, the last time I logged in. Then there is store, and then there is store code, and this will show you this is basically basically another language for your inventory data, and then your armor 64, which basically that is literally everything. So if I just connect back to the server and show you the message, so I've basically got my inventory saved. So if I want to recover it, so recover inventory and BrandsPickled, and you can see that's there. So let me left click that and recover inventory. So obviously we've got all this here now. So if I leave the server and rejoin, you can see here you have a pending recover inventory. Click below to view. So we can literally click that and then just recover it like so. And that's basically the plugin of InventoryRestore Plus. So if you do like this video and you want a plugin reviewed, remember to hook me up in the comment section. But yeah, if you are new around here, remember to hit that subscribe, remember to like the video, and yes, peace.